SPRO. Logistics and logistics general. Plant master settings. Okay. Oh. Oh. Enterprise structure definition. Logistics and general. Solution plant. Logistics execution. Shipping point. Shipping point. This is in logistics. Logistics execution. Define shipping points. So we've already seen the front end for the sales order. We have to configure the patterns, everything. Company code, shipping points, sales org, divisions, plant, sales group, sales offices. That's what we have actually done till now. Shipping point can be alphanumeric, for example. You have regions like for your business, like Middle East 0101 can be any country. Okay. For example, it can be ME01, and you can define UAE, and 01 will be Sharjah. Okay. Factory calendar, we don't need that. We'll just keep it open and save it. And AE, shipping point, requires a geographical location. Okay. ME01 Sharjah for time. Now this is basically will be used, so I can search this shipping point either using this name or Sharjah or ME01, whatever I can recall. Okay. '74, enter SD. Yeah. Okay. Next is save. Data was saved. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, sales and distribution, sales org to company code, sales org, for 9, P74, 49. This is already assigned. Okay. Distribution channel to sales org T74. Okay, this is also assigned. Okay, next is assign sales org distribution channel and plant. I believe we have already done this too, but let's find out. T74. T74, we've already assigned that. So we have done quite a lot of configurations so far. And logistics execution, assign shipping point to plant. ME01 will be assigned to plant. Okay. For time, and we have for time group Dubai, assign shipping point, control F, ME01, ME01 Sharjah, copy, and we have assigned two places, save. So we have like two places for shipping points already defined. Okay. Next. Okay, we're done with the configuration. Okay. Almost. Enterprise structure is done. Now, next is what do we require for a sales order? Let's see that. VF01 or VF02. Billing document. Let's open up a billing document. (909). Enter. Okay. We require numbering range, payer. This is our customer, domestic customer. Okay. We require a customer with the numbering range also. And also we require a material in our company code. Okay. This is just a sample that we have. So what we have actually done so far, that we have created company codes. Okay. We have created organizational units like company code. If we drill down a little bit more, we'll find more areas that we have configured, like sales org, distribution channel, division. We've already configured all these. Okay. Header partners. So these basically units form complete the transactions. That's what we have done so far, because we want to achieve passing the or posting the sales document, the sales order. Okay. So we're actually looking at these places that we have, these fields or these units that we have actually completed. Now we want a customer. Now that's the next part. So how do we build a customer? Let's go to SPRO. Okay, now we have financial accounting. System is a little bit slow to respond. Come on. Accounts receivable, customer accounts, master data, preparations. Now we'll actually create account groups. Now we'll have a different set of customers for our business, local customers, foreign customers, service customers, or material or stock buyers, or online customers. Okay, so we can have various account groups, new entries, account group T74. I guess we've already made this. 74. Okay, regulars, FI account group. And if you actually look at cross application, I believe we might have actually made SAP Business Partner, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, customer integration settings, BP role for direction BP to customer, BP role for direction customer to BP. Oh no, not this one. And settings, customer vendor integration, business partner settings. What am I missing? Settings. No, this is not the place. Settings for customer integration, field assignment. Okay. Direction BP to customer, define number assignment. Okay, grouping account group P74. Okay, we've already done this. So next part is BP, which is business partner. And for business partner, organization. Generalized business partner grouping will be T74. Regular grouping 047. 047 might be the numbering range. Okay. And Elmore group T74 Elmore group. Okay. 2595 with happy AE. Next is language English. Save. Okay, 4725 Elmore Group. Now switch between display and change and display and change. Now we will go for FI customer standard. Okay. And over here, there will be some fields that will be required. So everything is already filled up. So we'll go to company code. Company code is T74 for time group. Now this customer is already existing, but now we are placing it in the company code. Okay. It needs a reconciliation account. So we will go for FS00. FS00 T74 recon accounts. Recon account is customer. We copy this over here. 031. Enter customer number. Reconciliation accounts. Save. Okay. 4725 is your customer, and this can be vendor as well. For that, what we'll do, switch between display and change, and from here we can make FI vendor as well, but we don't want that right now. We'll go for sales customer STD standard. Sales customer, sales distribution, sales org is T74 for time, distribution channel for T74. Is it for sprays or powder? So it is for powder. And division, it has auto picked it up. Sales office, what will be the sales office that will deal with it? Nearest sales office that will deal with this customer. It's for time Dubai sales group. T74. So you see what we have actually configured is now helping us to define our customer specifically. Okay. Now we need some more information before we save this, like shipping. In shipping, we need delivering plant T74, under delivery tolerance, the tolerance that under delivery, for example, if you are supposed to deliver 100 units, customer has given you a tolerance of 2%. That, okay, fine. Out of 100, 2% can be forgiven if there is under delivery, not more than that. And over delivery also 2%. Okay. Partial delivery allowed or not allowed. Complete delivery. Billing, because we are going to make a billing document. Okay. So billing document is the necessary part. Invoice dates will all keep default Incoterms. Yes, we have to define Incoterms. Okay. Tax category. Output tax, because output tax, this is tax exempt. Okay. Partner functions. Additional data. Okay, we can have groups. For example, this is powder, so fine grade powder 60 or fine grade powder 40. Those can be made as customer groups. Status. Sales order block. If you want to block this customer from generating sales order or delivery or billing or support, you can block it from here. Okay, you can give reasons. Okay. Language, English. Okay. Documents. The documents that we will dispatch, that can be given over here. Transport data. Now this transport data basically is to integrate with your import plans and systems. LSP, LS export declarations or LSP import declaration profile ID for. Now these can be your import licensing IDs. Okay. So we'll save it. Changes have been saved. So what we have actually maintained over here is we have maintained some profiles. For example, customer and generalized and customer standardized. Okay. So we will be using this customer for our billing documents 4725. Now, next part, let's see what is next. We've already configured our business partners, which is a good thing. We don't want any material blocks. SPRO. Sales distribution, basic functions. Now that we have actually seen, we have already made our customers. Okay. Availability check and transfer of requirements. Now, what is transfer of requirements and what is availability of check? Availability check. Let me just tell you. Carry out control. Now, availability check is basically daily requires individual batches or no check. Okay. Now, availability check is about the stock availability, whether system will check that we can fulfill the requirements of the customer or not as per the stock availability. If the stock is there, we can have, now this is basically daily requirements are part of MRP. Now, what is MRP? What is daily requirements? Let me get down into stuff over here. MM01, material. What is material? Oh. How come? How come? How come? How come? No, it should show it is sharing. It is sharing. MM01, industry sector, mechanical engineering, material type, FERT. FERT is finished goods. FERT. Select views. Okay, plant 8842 storage location, sales or distribution channel. I'm just picking up a sample just to show what is availability check. Okay, basic unit of measure 0, 1 division and gross weight, net weight, sales org. Maybe my connection. Yeah, maybe. Okay. VST input tax. Sales org. Item category. Okay, fair enough. Sales general plant. And now MRP. Now we have in MRP, we have availability check. Okay, MRP group. Now, what is MRP? Material requirements planning. This is PD, which is that it should be put through MRP, that it can be processed with MRP. Okay. Now, planning cycle MRP controller 01 lot sizing procedure X, which is lot for lot. MRP 2 procurement type X, and that means it can be internally produced and externally procured. In-house production 1, GR processing time, plan delivery time, okay, safety stock, and where is availability check, MRP 3, period M, fiscal year variant K4, strategy group is 10, which is make to stock production. Availability check. Now, this is availability check. Okay, whether the stock is available, whether the machinery is available or not. Okay. Okay, MRP 3 back again and make to stock. This is availability check. So we'll just daily requirements, individual requirements, or KP no check. MRP 4, individual or collective requirements. Okay. And what else? Work scheduling and plant data storage 1, unit of issue. Okay, fair enough. So you can actually practice this as well. Accounting 1. So this is how we will create material 101. This is the standard price. Accounting 2. Enter a valuation class 7920. Now valuation class is for, I'll tell you later. Okay, right now we'll just get confused and we do not want that at this point. Let's save it. Is defined as required, does not contain any entry field, tax classification. Okay, fine. We'll just look at this later on. It's still a